Welcome to OU Cribs. Check out some of the freshest and hottest cribs on campus.
Hey! This is OU Cribs. Welcome to Shively Hall.
Thank you, ladies. Appreciate that. Hey, y'all doing OU Cribs? This is Pat Foki. We're at Shively Hall. About to get into it here. Room 315. Let's go. Enter the kingdom. This I'm about to show you is the most advanced gaming system the world has ever seen. Gotta show you from the fridge now. So much good stuff. And we got the chocolate, you know, coming in after a long day of studying. Let's go in here. Double Dub chocolate, dark chocolate that is. Yes, sir. We got the sweet tea. Arizona sweet tea. Never does a body wrong. No sir, no sir. Here's the rides. Alright? The rides, son. That's how they do it on crib, you know. Alright guys, we're gonna move over here to the master bedroom. Yes ladies, it is the master bedroom. It's where the magic happens, you know? I just sit down here, I do card tricks, you know, I pull rabbits out of hats, you know. So many magic tricks just go down right here. Alright guys, this is where it gets serious, you know? This right here, child, it's very good, you know, to just sit here and just play some tunes, you know. Feel that? Feel it? I do. I don't know about you, but I do. Alright, you've seen my room in Shively Hall, room 315. Now it's time to get the hell out. See you later.
Let's see how they're living on West Green.
I'm Tom Carpenter and we're in Bromley Hall. I live in 812. We're about to check out my crib. Oh, this is my roommate, Ryan Jansen.
Come on in.
And this is my crib. Our crib, actually. This is a poster of The Departed, one of my favorite movies of all time. Such an awesome movie.
Alright, this is where it all goes down, the drain, and yeah, the toilet, it's pretty crappy, and if you zoom in here, you'll notice that there's some pee on the seats because, you know, being a guy, of course, it's too hard to pee actually in the toilet.
Alright, now we're about to take a look at my ride. It's in this closet right here. Nice little bike. Gets me around places fast.
Alright, what's up? This is our new Black & Decker refrigerator. This didn't come with the room, we had to buy it. And the nickname of the refrigerator is the beer fridge because, you know, the college necessity is beer. Must have beer, gotta have beer. Every weekend we drink beer. A nice Red Bull right here for the, what's it called, a chaser, yeah. Some unopened ice trays. So yeah, that's the beer fridge. Alright, this is my old-fashioned radio that I bought at Target. It's like a 1950s model, and we're currently listening to WOUB, and I work at OUB. And so yeah, I love the radio, and I think it's essential to have one, so that's why we have this classic radio. It's also a record player, but I got stuff piled up on the top of it, and yeah, so it's pretty cool.
Thanks for checking out our crib. Now get the hell out of here.